What's going on, guys? This is PaleoPeachxy, and today we're going to be doing our first Everything Dinosaur unboxing. So I'm going to be using a box cutting knife. Obviously, if you have one, be careful. But yeah, let's get it open. Alright, so I ordered a few things, but I'm not sure, if all of them are here yet. Oh, yep, they are. Alright, let's go. So obviously, we have the information cards that always come with the dinosaurs, which is really nice. Alright. I'll just move this out of the way. So here is, oh my god, this is the one I've been waiting for. Here is Rebor Vanilla Ice T-Rex or Vistatosaurus Rex. We'll get that out of the box in a little bit. Here we have the CollectA Deluxe Dimetrodon, which is really nice. CollectA Excalibusaurus. The CollectA Basilosaurus. CollectA Regaliceratops. CollectA Gigant Spinosaurus. And I think we have one more, yeah. And then the Schleich Animantarx. But yeah. Alright, so let's get these out of the boxes now. So the first one we have is CollectA Deluxe Dimetrodon. Really nice. Wow. Hold on, I need to get this out. Alright, so here is the Deluxe Dimetrodon, and wow, this is just a gorgeous figure, and it has an articulated jaw, which is really nice. Sorry for the background noise. But yeah, this is an amazing figure, and you guys will definitely get a review on this soon. Next we have the CollectA Gigant Spinosaurus. I can get it open. Alright, so here is the CollectA Gigant Spinosaurus. And wow, this is just amazing. I love how CollectA has these little figures. They look really nice in my opinion. But yeah, that looks great. Take this off. But yeah. And yeah, that's really, really nice. Alright, so the next one we have is the CollectA Regaliceratops. And once again, it's really, really small, and I really like that. It's really cool. It's pretty nice. And so these 2017 figures, you might get a review on. I'm not sure, like I say with all my older figures other than 2018 and 2019. You might, but once I run out of things to review, but yeah. So the next one we have is the CollectA Excalibusaurus. We have the CollectA 2017 Excalibusaurus. Looks really nice, and yeah, you might be getting a review. But I really like this. It's really cool. I love that jaw. This one we have the CollectA Basilosaurus. Alright, so here is the CollectA Basilosaurus, and wow, this is gorgeous. It's really, really big, actually. Larger than I thought. It looks to be about, I don't know, 15 inches. Which is pretty big for a CollectA figure. But yeah, this looks awesome. And once again, you might or might not get a review. Alright, so this one is the Schleich Animantarx, and that looks really, really, really nice. It seems to I think it looks like a little baby, but I'm not sure. But I love how small it is. It's pretty cute. It looks like, yeah, see, it does look like a little juvenile Animantarx, but I don't know. But yeah, this is a really nice figure, and you guys will be getting a review on this soon, just like my other Schleich figures that I got for Christmas. Alright, so here we have Vanilla Ice, the T-Rex or V-Rex, in its mountain version. So let's get this out of the package. So the box is kind of crushed just a little bit, but you know, that's all right. Here we have the back. It's really nice. It's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it'd be like really big because this is like the first Rebor figure I've ever had. But you know, that's okay. Alright, so here it is, and wow, this just looks amazing for what I can see already. Alright, let's get this out of the wrapping. Alright, so here is the Vistatosaurus Rex. On its own, it doesn't really balance, but I'm sure if we put this on, it'll be a bit better. Oh, there we go. Here is the Rebor 2018 Vistatosaurus Rex, and my god, this looks amazing. The teeth are really, really sharp, actually. So I don't suggest giving this to like your little brother or anything, but you know, it's really, really amazing figure, and this looks great. I love all these details in the figure. It's so amazing. And you guys will definitely be getting a review on this soon. Alright guys, so that was our first Everything Dinosaur unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to buy any of these figures, I will link them down in the description. But yeah, please like and subscribe. And honestly, these figures are amazing, and you will definitely be getting a review on some of them. Maybe these 4, but I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!